Picard! The naughty bumper cars. Wow, it's good weather.
Nina!
Huh?
Hello, Nina. We finally get to meet you.
Huh? Who are you?
We are the children of your uncle, and we've come here to stay with you.
Huh?
That means we are your cousins.
Huh? Ah, I see. You're little bumper cars. Why are you here?
Our parents have gone on a trip. They asked you to take care of us.
Didn't you get the letter?
Letter? Huh? I forgot to read it. No worries. This is your first time out. I'll take you around first.
Yay!
Nina Tour Group, let's go! We will reach the park soon.
But I don't want to go to the park.
I want to see the big whale.
I want to see a meteor shower.
I want to play hide and seek.
Yeah, good idea. Let's play hide and seek.
All right, we're here. Huh? Where is everyone? Oh no, I lost my cousins! Control center! Nina, what's wrong? I can't find the children of my uncle!
Huh? Who are they?
They're my cousins, little bumper cars. They're so little, so helpless. They must be hungry, crying, and trembling on the street now. Nina, stop saying that. We have to hurry up and find them. Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
Jumping taxi, Nina.
Ultra Radar Police Car, Lay! Rocket Race Car, Cyclone! Supercars, go!
Bumping all around. So much fun, I like to bump, 'cause I'm a bumper car. Bump, 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 bump. Let's play hide and seek. On the street spinning around like on a playground. Danger, danger, danger. Please don't play out on the streets.
Not on the streets.
Stop right now.
Stop now.
Please come home with me.
Hey, Nina's coming to catch us. Let's run.
Hey, stop playing. I'm going to get angry.
Leave it to us! Beep, 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 beep.
The radar is on, turning right there, over there. The game ends right here. Rumble, 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 rumble. Power up the engine. Speeding forward, no more running. You must stop right now.
Oh, I'm so dizzy!
Playing on the streets.
Right, you need to follow traffic rules.
Huh? What rules?
Let me tell you.
Stop and ready, go back green. Do not rush and don't hurry.
Pay attention to the space.
Pay attention!
Driving here is
Don't
not
get
a
too
race.
close!
Don't take off and run around. Safety first. Stay inside of your own lane. That's right. Traffic rules, don't forget. Follow them and be a good kid.
Do you get it now?
Yes, ma'am!
Oh, but we are all bumper cars.
It's so hard not to bump.
About that.
Hey, I have an idea.
Sheriff Lake's idea is really good. The theme park is the perfect choice for everyone. The Angry Bees.
Wow, so sweet.
Hang Toot Toot, what are you doing?
Lick Toot Toot, lick Toot Toot, you came just in time. There's delicious honey here. Wow! Lick Toot Toot, hurry up! I can't hold on anymore.
A little longer. Almost there.
Oh, we did it!
Oh, so many bees! Help! Help!
So scary, run! The bees are coming!
We're trapped!
Ouch, it hurts! Who can help me? Huh? Here I come! Be careful, Porter! Huh? Not good! Control center!
Angie, what happened?
Hurry, Timmy! There's bees in the city! I need help!
Okay, don't worry. Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform! Rocket race car, Cyclone!
Flying ambulance, Angie!
Jumbo truck, Ben! Supercars, go!
Fly and fly and fly, fly and fly and fly. Is somebody hurt?
Here I come!
So don't cry, don't lose. I'm here to see you through. The pain is all
It doesn't
gone.
hurt now!
Now the bees are back, buzzing all around. Everybody run.
Ah, help! Let's work together to lure the bees away. No problem.
Let's chase all the bees together and lead them to a safe place. Catch the bees, let's go, let's get them all. Don't let them
These
escape.
little guys don't seem like they want to behave.
I'm trapped!
What to do? What to do? I got it. Bees love flowers the most. Ben, I'm coming to rescue you.
Flowers smell so sweet, and the bees are happy. Come chase after me.
Come on!
Run and run and run, run and run and run. Speed up and just run.
Buzzing on the left, buzzing on the right. More bees come in sight.
Come here!
Engines rumble, big wheels keep on spinning. Now let's make a turn.
Close the door, my belly's buzzing loud. Yo-ho! Mission complete.
Let's take them home now!
Phew! Finally got them all home. Not the bees again!
Quick, run!
Ah!
Super Couriers!
I'm so bored. What can we do for fun?
Friends, let's go do something big!
What do you mean by big?
I've got an idea.
What are we supposed to do?
Do you see that big truck? He's a supercar.
I see it.
He's delivering packages. Right. If we also deliver packages, we can become supercars. Go!
Ah!
Shh!
Huh? Huh?
Thank you, Ben.
No problem. It's my pleasure.
Okay, let's go.
Huh? Why do I feel like my belly is empty?
Let me take a look. Oh no! Your packages are gone!
What? Barry, Timmy, something went wrong!
Ben, stay calm. What happened?
All of the packages inside me suddenly disappeared. I hope you can help me find them.
No problem. Supercars! Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
Jumbo truck, Ben!
Ultra radar police car, Lake!
Jumping taxi, Nina!
Supercars,
go!
Super couriers, fast and accurate, passing through the street, through the big forest, climbing this mountain, we'll be there real fast.
Oops, it seems like we dropped a few. No worries!
Beep, 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 radar is on. Search the street for what's missing. I found one and I found two.
There's still more, so keep looking. Hop and jump and hop and jump. Searching for what's gone missing. I found one and I found two. There's still more, so keep looking.
Super couriers, fast and accurate. The farm and orchard, those deliveries done. Where shall we go next? The amusement park.
Oh dear, this isn't mine!
Beep, 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 radar is on. Let's search all across the farm. A delivery has gone wrong.
This is for the orchard. Hop and jump and hop and jump. Let's search around the orchard. A delivery has gone wrong. This one is for the farm.
Super couriers, busy and tired. How many packages? Too many to count. It's getting dark real soon. We want to go home.
I don't want to deliver anymore.
What about the remaining packages?
leave them to us!
Beep, 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 delivering. Hop and jump, delivering. Puff and puff, delivering. Send it all before nightfall.
Why did you take my packages?
We want to help everyone by delivering packages like you.
Okay, but delivering packages is not easy.
Sorry.
There are many packages to deliver tomorrow. I need some help. Would you like to come?
Huh? Sure! The farm crisis.
Uncle Pig! Uncle Pig! Uncle Pig!
It must be Harvey the Harvester. Sure enough, it is. What are those?
Huh? They seem to be flying cars? What are they spreading in the farm?
Look, the crops in that area have withered.
Oh no! They are destroying the farm! Stop!
The poison gas is good! The flying cars I invented are amazing! Yeah. Oh, come on, spray more into the farm. Have all the crops wither!
The poison gas is getting thicker!
Don't worry, I'll think of a way. Control center!
Huh? Harvey, do you need any help from us?
Yes, a few flying cars are destroying the farm. I need backup.
No problem. Supercars.
Get ready!
Mission received.
Supercars, transform! Flying ambulance, Angie!
Jumping taxi, Rena.
All-around harvester, Harvey.
Supercars, go!
Oh no! All the farmlands are surrounded by poison gas! I'll go to rescue the grains and vegetables first.
Big gears are turning, turn and turn. Speed up harvest is my concern. The gears go creak and creak. Long, long arms sway and swing. High and low they pick up everything.
Harvest completed. Well done!
Dangerous gases, floats and flows.
Be careful.
Bit by bit it falls on everything. Light washes over, shine and shine. Here to there the poison gas is gone.
It's my turn now.
Up, up in the air, up and up. I'm here so don't try to run away. 1, 2, 3, 4, down they fall. There's one more and it has disappeared.
Where did it go?
Let me help to find the car.
Jump into the clouds to look and find. Fly up in the sky to look and find. Soft and fluffy clouds so white, he's hiding inside. I bounce the wheels and jump up to the left. I spread the wings and fly up to the right. Grab it fast, we've made it at last.
Thank you for saving my farm!
You're welcome, Uncle Pig.
Oh no! Huh! You can't damage my farm anymore!